Recording. Let's do that. Okay, aloha mai kākou, aloha po'alua. Okay, kala ikahi o Yune, June 1st, ahe po'alua ke ia. We're going to be doing ʻŌPaʻa number 30 and 29, but 30 will be our ʻŌLELO and kind of a review as well. Okay, if you're joining us for the first time, here's our agenda. Pretty much our formalities at the beginning, and then our lesson, which is kind of split into two. We're going to be finishing Kālele Kūlana and then starting ʻŌLELO as well. Okay? And then hopefully we'll have some time for breakout rooms a little bit later on. All right, so aloha mai kākou ina haumana. Welcome to our ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO virtual Hawaiian language class. If you guys can do me a favor, I know some of you wrote your names in already, but if you can do this one more time, answer these two questions. In the chat for me, Owai Koi Noa, what is your name? And Noho Oi Ihea, where do you live? Just so we can build pilina and kind of ho'olauna with each other. So aloha mai kākou, o Kahanuola solatorio ko ui noa, noho au ma ke walo uka ma o ahu mokupuni. Okay. Okay, yeah, I see those coming in. Let's move on. And I'm going to go to our loina. So these are our loina, our values that we practice in class. If you're new, just try and follow these. But I'm going to call on a few of our new haumana. I know we have a lot of new haumana tonight. Can I ask, first of all, Anita, would you mind reading the first one for us?
Hi, kalamai. Aloha ke kahiaka I kekahi. Love one another, we are an ohana.
Okay, so aloha ke kahi ke kahi. Just show our aloha, we are an ohana together. Yo Kepa, you okay reading number 2?
Hi. Ho'i'i aku, ho'i'i mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Okay, yep, pretty easy. Dale, new old haumana. Can you read number 3?
E kulia I kanu'u, strive to be the very best you can be.
Okay, and I'll read number 4. ʻAʻa I ka ʻōlelo mai hila hila, dare to speak, don't be ashamed in the class. One of my models and probably my most important rule for this class. No be ashamed, just try your best. ʻAʻa I ka ʻōlelo, dare to speak, okay? Okay, anyone want to start kunihi? Yeah.
Kunihi ka mauna pa. Kunihi ka mauna I ka la'i e o wai alela I wailu wai. Kia ela I ka lani ka papa au wai o ka wai ki ni. Ela ia ela e no nalu kai puha'a. Ka laula mau ka o ka pa'a e. Mai pa'a I ka leo. He ole ka hea mai e.
E hea I ke kanaka e komo māloko. E hana ia hewe koha. E ano kaupula o ka leo. A he leo wale no e. Okay, mahalo Deo, mahalo. Okay, so we'll come back to our Oli Aloha. Let's go to the slides from last week, Kālele Kūlana. Okay, I know that we kind of went through a lot, but we weren't able to finish. So let's do a quick review. Okay, I know we have some new haumana too, so this is going to help them. You can open up those slides that I just sent you in the Google, in the chat. All right, so Kālele Kūlana. Does anyone remember in the chat what is the Kālele Kūlana? What is Kālele Kūlana show? Good, Erika. Yep. Okay. Okay. There you go. Oh, Mekai, yo kepa. I know. Okay, Erika, what is it? Oh, yeah, it's on the slide, my bad. But you can read it.
Yeah, situational emphatic.
Situational emphatic. Okay, so it emphasizes your ave part, which is the detail of the of the sentences, yeah? So again, let's just go through these one more time. So Kālele Kūlana sentences puts emphasis on the extra information that are usually found in the ʻAʻA. I liked when an event occurred, where an event was located, or how an event took place. Okay, so many different things that you can kind of emphasize at the beginning of your sentence rather than towards the end. Okay, so the piko is the akena, or the agent of the action, and the agent is the person or thing responsible for the action. Okay, there's two things that we have to remember. Can you read the first one for us, please? Stacy, this first bullet point.
If your piko is a papani, or pronoun, then it will go before the maka painu / painu.
Okay, so if it's a papani, remember they're going to jump before the maka painu. They're going to jump at the beginning. Okay, number two, the second bullet point. Let's go to Atihelani. Secret Agent 007.
Am I reading the piko subject?
Yeah, this one, the second one.
Kālele Kūlana is situational emphatic. Piko subject. The piko is the akena, or agent of the action. The agent is the person or thing responsible for the action. If your piko is a papani, pronoun, then it will go before the maka painu, painu. If your piko is anything else, then it will go after the maka painu / painu.
Okay, so if you have your ʻOa no no akikino, that's going to go after your maka painu, okay? You know, just kind of a refresher. And this is our look at the different maka painu that we have for this sentence structure, for this Kālele Kūlana, yeah? So e painu wai if you're general tense, I painu wai past tense, e painu nei present tense, and the future one is a little bit different. Ana, then your papani, e painu wai. Okay, so we'll go and do some more examples with these ones at the end. Okay, questions. These are very important for us to ask and for us to have. What's it called? A few questions that we went over last time. Can you read the first one, please, Tammy?
Aloha. Aya, ihea, mahea, where?
Okay. The second one, makamai, you okay? Reading the second one.
Piko va, manava, yeah, when.
Yeah, Makai. Pamela, can you read the third one?
Ikahola ehia, what time?
Makai. Carrie, can you read number 4? We'll come back. You want us to come back?
I could read it. Sorry. It was on mute. No ke aha mai. Why?
Okay, Makai. Shannon, can you read number 5? That's stupid light.
Lavai, to whom?
Yep. Oh, Yavai. Kalamai. Yavai. To whom? Let's go to Lena Ala. The next one.
Sorry, what number are we on?
Right here. After Yavai. So right here.
Oh, mevai. With whom?
Yeah, and that's we're gonna focus on this one tonight. Let's go to April.
Ahea, ahea ana, when will.
Good. Ahea ana, when will. Inahea is when did. So inahea was past tense. And then ikamea hea, in which mea, which is kind of weird, but hopefully we can show you an example tonight. Okay, Maikai.
Hey, mommy now.
Yes.
Me now.
Yes.
For ikahola ihea.
Yes.
If I said ikahola ihea kapapa, would that be what time is the class?
Yeah. So ikahola ihea kapapa, or That's a good question. And then when we answer it, we can kind of specify it in this situational emphatic. Yeah.
And then how does that compare or contrast with saying, ʻAʻA ka papa ma ka hola ihea?
Yeah, so it's pretty much the same thing. The ʻAʻA kind of shows like kind of putting it into the locational sentence structure. So I rather use this one, the ikahola ehia, just because it's kind of specifically towards the time. But the ʻAʻA works as well. Okay, so a little bit different, but still asking the same kind of thing, if that makes sense. Yeah, no worries. Good question. Okay. All right, so let's do another, I don't know if you guys remember this one, but the ihea oya eheleai. Okay, so where does she go? How would we answer this question? I know we went over it last time, but how do we answer this question? Or sorry, with this translation, to Waimanalo is where she goes. Okay, so we're gonna put the location here and then the verb here. Can you guys type that in the chat for me privately?
Kumu,
Yes.
if you wanted to put that in pidgin, if you said that in pidgin, would it be where she went?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, okay, it's different because it's not saying past tense, yeah. If we wanted to say past tense, we would say I helea, yeah. So that would be where she went, yeah.
Like present tense, okay.
Yeah, generally, yeah. Okay, so the answer, Pua Mohala, can you read us your answer?
I Waimanalo, oia e haleai.
Good, so to Waimanalo is where she goes, or she goes to Waimanalo. Both of those translations work. Okay, what if I asked you, ihea oi I heleai? What does that translate to? Ihea oi I heleai. We kind of just went over this. Ihea oi I heleai. Yeah. Try one more time, Car. Yeah, good. Okay, Maikai. Auntie here, try one more time. Not oi, not oya. How would you answer? How would you do that in pidgin?
Where you went.
Where you went, okay? So where you went. Okay, where you went. Let's try that answering. So when you answer, you're gonna say I, place, o, I, hele, right. Okay, so just put a random place in there and answer the question. Ihea oi, I hele. Yeah, good. Okay, oh, Reef, I was wondering what that was. H mart awi helea. Okay, good. Iwailuku awi helea. Maikai. Charmaine, so the kahale is gonna go before the ihelei. Okay. Okay, Maikai. Let's all just say our answer. Everyone turn on your mic and say your answer. Ihea oi ihelei.
I Waimanalo au I heleai.
Kālele Kūlana au
ʻAʻA.
Oh, I heleai.
Yeah, okay, so if you're new, that's what we do. We kind of just do that so everyone can say their answer, so we can just practice saying it. Okay. All right, so that's a good one too from last week. Let's go over this one. Ikava or ikamanava here. Okay, so this was the when's, yeah. Ikava here e kukea o keanu. But let's change it. So this was when does keanu cook. Let's change it a little bit. And let's go. Ikava here e ala'ai. Ikava here oi e ala'ai. Okay, someone give me that translation privately. Ikava here oi e ala'ai. Good, Reef. Ka'i.
ʻŌLELO ho.
I ka wāhea oi e alai. I ka wāhea oi e alai. I know, sometimes I put it in the chat and then it just kind of gets lost, yeah. I'll put it one more time. I ka wāhea oi e alai. Good. Kālele, hey Kālele, you want to read your answer for us?
Shoot, so when you gonna wake up?
Yeah. So when you wake up or when you go wake up, those both work. Okay. So can you guys answer that for me? With the specific time. Okay. So when you do that, you're gonna say I ka hola time o e alai. Okay. Oh, sorry, that just went to Dale. These are good questions, you know, some that we use often. So there's that. The answer, just put in the time that you wake up. I ka hola time au e alai. So if I said, I ka hapalua hola e ono au e alai, I wake up at 6:30. Okay, makai. Good, Yo Kepa. I like your answer. Can you read your answer for us, please? And everyone, try and listen.
I ka holo e lima ma ka vana'au au I ala'ai.
Makai. So I ka hola e lima ma ka vana'au au I alai. Okay, does anyone know what that means or what that translates to? Yeah, Reef. Good. Reef, you want to try and answer that? My light is broken. Paid $30 for this light, stupid. Sorry.
Answer with what?
Yeah. The Ikahola Elima Makavana O Yalai. What does that translate to?
I wake up at 5 in the dawn.
5 at dawn, yeah. Yeah, good. Okay, my kai. So we have that one. What else do we have? Ina here. Yeah, let's do ina here. Okay, so ina here was another past tense one. Do we need to go over this one? Yeah, we should. Okay, so ina here, when did. Okay, so all of these are going to be in the past. Let's just try and translate this sentence. So, I nehine I kalaiva ai o keala. Okay, what does that show us? I nehine I kalaiva ai o keala. Remember, o keala would show a name, yeah, because it says o. It's okay, Reef, no worries. Good job. Oh, hi, Haley Cheney. I never saw you, Haley Cheney. Okay, Haley. Can you read yours?
Kā'ala drove yesterday.
Yep, Kā'ala drove yesterday. Another way you could say it is yesterday, Kā'ala drove, but yours is totally fine too. Okay. Let's do another, before we move on to today, continuing on with the lesson. Let's do a few more. I think we did time already. Okay, let's do another question then. How would you ask from English to Hawaiian, when did your mom read? Okay, kind of just random, but when did your mom read? How would you say that? Using this as your example. Oh God, I pretty much just copied it. Just took out drink for read. Your mom, your mom. Good job, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do another harder one since that was easy. Okay, good. Let's go to Pamela. What is that translate to. When did your mom read?
Inahea I helu helu ai ko makuahine.
Okay. Okay, let's go. We're going back. Okay, it's not on the screen. Where did the dog pee? No worries, Auntie Hea. I know, you get them, you get them. Yeah, good, Reef. Kind of tricky. Good, Anita, yeah. Okay, I didn't teach you guys what she is, so no worries. Kapua, you got him. What does that translate to?
Ihea I mimi ai ka ilio.
Yeah, mimi ai ka ilio. Mimi is he or she. Okay, let's do one more. What time did, that's my cat's name. What time did they three swim? Yeah, your cat's name is Urinate. Erika. What time did they three swim? Close, Yokepa. That's we three. What would they three be? Good job, Lina Ala. Carly, try one more time. We're gonna specify time. So there's gotta be time in there, or hour. Hello, Kule, welcome.
Aloha.
Aloha. Let me send you the slides that we're working on. So I'm sending it in the chat, Kule. You can open it. Okay, let's go. Lena Ala, can you read yours? And then we're gonna go to our next part.
I ka hola e hia lākou I ʻaʻa kai ai.
Mai kai. I ka hola e hia lākou I ʻaʻa kai ai. Okay. Try and answer that for me. Just give me a random answer. You don't need the kai, Erika. You can just say ʻaʻa. But the ʻaʻa kai shows swim, rather than ʻaʻa could also mean shower. So it kind of specifies the swim, yeah. So how would you answer that? Good, Anita. Mekai. You guys remembered. I know, if you have questions, don't be afraid, just ask me, okay? Tammy, try one more time. The ehia, change them with a time. So just any random one. Try turn on your mic and just read your answer.
I ka hola e kolu lako I ʻaʻa kai.
And then at the end you put.
Wait, my brain will get disconnected. What? What do you say?
You can see on the screen what I'm circling, or no?
Oh, I.
Yeah. I ka hola e kolu lako I ʻaʻa kai ai.
Okay.
Mekai.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, so let's go to our next one. And this is, where are we at? We're at present tense now, okay? So with our present tense, we're gonna start with our kulana, or our ave part. Then if you have your kapani, your pronoun will go right there. And then when we want to show our present tense verb marker, it's gonna be the same as when we do pepeke painu. So e painu ne. Okay, so that's a good one. We don't have to change it to ai or iai. It's gonna be e painu ne. Okay, and then every other piko will go afterwards. Kind of very similar to what we just had, but e painu ne, yeah. Okay. So here's our question. Can you please read our question for us? Who never go yet? Carly. So can you read this title first?
Me vai, with whom?
Okay. So what would the question, can you read the question?
Me vai oi e hele va vai ne. With whom are you walking?
Okay, so it sounds a little weird, but just to be kind of specified with whom, you're gonna say me vai oi e hele va vai ne. Okay, can you guys, using this example, with Tom is who I am walking. I know it sounds weird in English. You can also say I am walking with Tom, but this first translation kind of just emphasizes with Tom is who I'm walking. I guess you, with Tom is who you are walking. Good, you Kepa. Yeah, thanks, Nina. Love it, Reef. Actually, Reef, I like your answer better. So can you read your answer for us, please?
Me Yesua wehele wawaine.
Me Yesua wehele wawaine. I, with Jesus, is who I am walking. Okay? He's walking with Jesus. That's how you get all your puns. So, but the real answer, me Tom, or oi ehele wawaine. Okay? Let's change it up. How do you translate this one? With whom are, no, let's change it. Is your mother kissing? Not your mother. Let's go. Yeah, fine. I'll just do mother. It's not real. With whom is your mother kissing? Try and translate that question for me. Kind of different, but see what you guys remember. Good, Kapua. Yo, Kapua, try one more time. You're just missing the, not ko'u, your. Erika, you know kiss. Yes, you do. Yeah, even if you think your translations are wrong, just try, okay? Okay, my cut you. Okay, Auntie April, I'm gonna ask you to read. Yours is a little bit different, but can you read your answer?
Me vai ko'u, oh sorry, me vai ko makoheni e honi ne.
Okay, so remember, after the mevai, you only have your papani, yeah? Is ko makuahine a pronoun? Is it you, they? No. So where would it switch? Where would it go? Where would it jump?
At the end.
Okay, you want to try one more time?
So me vai e honi ne ko makuahine.
Good job. Yeah. Alrighty. And then malalo o kamesoto. Okay, try and answer that for me. Just give me a random answer. Who is your mother kissing? Or with whom is your mother kissing? How would you answer that? Good, Carrie. Oh, nice, Anita. Good. There, Erika. Yeah. There, Carly. Good. Keave Eve. Keave Eve. Okay, so the ehonine just gotta jump right before ko'umakuahine, and then you got it. Okay, so me ko'umakuakane ehonine ko'umakuahine. Okay, and that's right. But let's get Carly's answer because I like it. That's what I was going to write to you. Carly, can you read yours?
Me kanakoloka e honine ko makuhine.
Okay, and what does that mean? I saw you laugh. What does that translate to?
My mom is kissing Santa Claus.
Yeah, good. So my mom is kissing Santa Claus, or with Santa Claus is who my mom is kissing. Yeah, good job, good job, good job. All right, let's try and translate some of these. Hey, aloha.
Can you say one more time the when you make them jump?
Yeah, so for yours one, it was, you want to try to read yours for everyone?
Me ko'u kane I ko'u hine e honi nei.
Okay, so everything is correct. Just the e honi nei, you're going to jump that right after makua kane. Okay, so it's going to be me ko'u makua kane e honi nei ko'u makua hine. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah, sorry, I was just asking like what situations would we like switch that?
Okay, so if it was a papani like ʻAʻA or lako, let's just do oi. So it would, if you wanted to have a pronoun, that's when it would be after the makua kane. So you could say me ko'u makua kane oia e honine. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, that was rude. So me ko'u makua kane. So only if you have a pronoun, that's when it will jump. Me ko'u makua kane oia e honine, or me ko'u makua hine oia e honine. Okay.
Yeah, Mahalo.
Now, Kumu.
Yes.
How do you know when it's supposed to be me vai makua kane honi nei ko makua hine? But then the one you just said, you said it as me ko'u makua kane e honi nei ko'u makua hine. So how do you know when to say honi or helu?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. So for some words, it wouldn't be the same, but for honi, you can do both. You can do honi and honi. Helu, you gotta read. You gotta say the whole thing for read. Yeah. Because helu by itself, anyone knows what helu by itself means? Count, yeah. So it depends on the word.
Okay, thank you, Mahalo.
Yep. No worries. Okay, so let's go through these translations. I know there's a typo right here at the beginning, but try and give me your translations in the chat. I'll give you guys a minute and a half. So the first one, me ko'u kupunahine au e helu nei. Yeah. Me kapua e ai nei o Erika. Me heli kākou e pa'ina nei. Okay, and a question, me vai oi e lele nei. And then from English to Hawaiian with anuhea is who I am fighting. Please put them in private for me. Thank you. Yeah, honi is a juicier kiss. Who was I thinking? Who was I kidding? I thought I was going to be able to finish this lesson, teach you ole aloha, and do a review all tonight. Not happening. Yokepa and Anita, are you guys learning ʻŌLELO? You guys already have some background?
I.
Very good.
Me ke kulanui.
Okay, MCC.
I.
Oi.
E komo ana maua makahiki e ha.
Oh, oi na kumu mamua.
Ke kumu no makahiki e kolu e kalekoa.
Oh, yes. Awesome. Very good.
Aka no makahiki e ha aole wau ike.
Yeah.
Anita ike oi.
Very good, Kaeo.
I.
Yeah. So you maybe, yeah. I mean, anyone is good. Makaikeha. So good. A very good foundation with Kaeo. Kalekoa Kaeo. Like that.
A me ka ohana o Punana o Maui.
Oh. Awesome. Okay. cool. I see the answers coming in. Let's go through some of them. Who wants to try? Number 1. Okay, good. Kālele, can you read your answer? Your Hawaiian and then your answer for the first one.
Hi. Me koʻu kupunahine au e helu helu nei. With my grandma is who I am reading.
Perfect.
I'm reading with my grandma.
Yeah, both of them work. So the e helu helu nei shows the current name reading, yeah? Number 2. Who got number 2? Oh yeah, Yokepa, can you read your answer for number 2?
Number 2.
Or you can read the Hawaiian.
Me kapua e ai nei o Erica. It's with kapua that Erica is now eating.
Good job, my ka'iloa. Okay, let's go to number 3. Who got number 3? Yeah, Kiave Evie. Can you read yours? You can read the Hawaiian first.
Me hele kākou e pa'ani nei. Haley will party with everybody.
Yeah, so the a nei again is the currently. So Haley, or it is with Haley that we are partying. Good. So it is with Haley that everyone we are partying. Like ka'iloa. Okay. Yeah, Paul Mahalo, can you read your answer for number 4? You can read the Hawaiian first.
Levi oi e lele nei, and that's who are you flying with?
Good. Who are you flying with, or with whom are you flying? Both of them work. Okay, and then let's do our one word thing for this last one. So with anuhea is who I am fighting. What is the first word? Someone turn on their mic. Let me know.
Me.
Me. Okay, what is the second word?
Anuhea.
Anuhea. Okay. Me anuhea. Third word?
ʻAʻu.
Oh.
Oh. Me anuhea. Oh. Fourth word?
Eh.
And last 2 words.
Hakakane.
So me anuhea au e hakakane. Reef, yeah, that works too. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Just a little bit different translation, but that works. So me anuhea au e hakakane. That's a new word for some of us. Hakaka is fight. Okay. I want everyone in the chat, can you guys create your own example using the me vai? So I'm going to go back to this sample and then fill in the blank. Give me a random me vai sentence that you have. Me Kahanuola au e ʻaʻoni. With Kahanuola is who I am learning. Yeah. Try to make them fun, make them funny, make them random. Reef, I'm counting on you to make it funny. Good, Kālele. Good, Car. Yep, Kiava Evie, Makai. Reef, like it. Nice, Yokepa. Okay, let's get a few of these examples. Yep, Shannon, I like yours. Can you read yours? And everyone listen. Let's see if we can translate to hers.
Me kanoa au e he'enalu nei ma pakalas.
Me kanoa au e he'enalu nei ma pakalas. What does that translate to? Me kanoa au e he'enalu nei ma pakalas. You can type it in. Me kanoa au e he'enalu nei ma pakalas. Good, Reef. Good, Lena Ala. That's exactly how I would translate it. Oh, a little bit different than ʻAʻA. So, a name. Yeah. You want to read yours? You want to? Yes. Read it. Come on, please.
My answer?
Yeah.
The one I made up or
So the translation for
the translation?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It is with kanoa I will surf with at Pakalas, but I did the wrong thing. So it is with kanoa I am surfing with at Pakalas.
Yeah. So it is with kanoa that I'm surfing with at Pakalas. I know it's kind of weird when you translate it, but good to have it in mind. Let's do one more example. Oh, Kālele, I like yours. Now I know why you didn't want to read it. Okay, so yeah, let's go to Carly. Can you read yours? And then we'll move on.
Me ana a me Elsa e hi mene o Eva.
Try one more time. What goes between two names?
Lawa.
Lawa'o, yeah. So me ana lawa'o Elsa e hi menine o Eva. What does that translate to? You don't need to type it. Anyone want to just try? Just turn on your mic. Give me your answer. Me ana lawa'o Elsa e hi menine o Eva.
With Anna and Elsa. Hey, Kalama, go ahead. Hele.
Anna and Elsa, Ava is singing.
Yeah, so with Anna and Elsa is who Ava is singing with, or you can even say Ava is singing with Anna and Elsa if you wanted to. Okay? Good job, kākou. All right, going to our last one. This is the hardest one, and this is the future tense. Okay, the reason why it's hard is because it's different than everyone else. So when you come to future tense, you're gonna still have the ʻeana, that future, but it's going to be at the beginning. So it's really weird. Okay, so when you want to put it into a sentence, you're going to start off with your kulana, your ave. Okay, then you put your ana to show future tense. So kulana, then your ana. If you have a papani, you put it there, but you're still going to put e painuai. Okay, so don't think that you're just going to put e painu by itself because you have your ana at the beginning. No, you still put e painuai. Okay, bear with me. Okay, so you're going to go kulana, then ana to show feature, papani, e painuai. Okay, if you don't have a papani, then your i'oan, you no akiki no go at the end. Okay, it'll make sense when we do some examples. Okay, so here is our question. Ahea, when will? Can you read this question for me, please? Is Hannah sister? Kule, you want to try to read this question for me? Or let's go to Charmaine. You want to try?
Ahea ana e hia moi ai nā keiki.
Okay, and what would that mean?
When will the children sleep?
Okay, so the ahea shows when will. Ahea ana, when will. E hia moi ai nā keiki. Okay, let's do the answer then. So for here, when you answer, you're going to put e, then the time, or whatever. E, kahola, da-da-da, ana, e, verb, ai nā keiki. Try give me your answer in the chat. Using this, it is at 9 o'clock when the children go sleep. Good, Kaulana. Puamohala, you just need to put, how do we show the time? You remember? You have to put the hour 9. Good, Anita. Pamela, 9. Yeah. Okay, Anita, you want to read your answer for us? Ahea ana e hea moiai na keiki.
I ka hola iwa ana e hia moiai na keiki.
Mai ka iloa. I ka hola iwa ana e hia moiai na keiki. So the children, it is at 9 o'clock when the children will sleep, or the children will sleep at 9 o'clock. Okay? Mai kai. Let's try and change this question up in the chat. Let's do, when will Tommy, well, give me a verb. When will Tommy, I don't know. Run. When will Tommy run? How would we translate that? When will Tommy run? Good, Reef. Good, Kapua. Good, Erika. Erika, not, you're missing the one thing. You have 2 anas. Yeah, there you go. Yo kepa, the name, if you have a name, it's gonna jump to the end, yeah.
Oh, Kalamai.
No, you're good. Lena Ala, try and use this one. Oh, I get what you answered, yeah. Good. Haleaka, you okay reading for me? You don't need to turn on your camera.
The Nina or Pani?
The Nina.
Okay. Ahia ana e holovavai an. Oh, I'm sorry. Ika hola e Eva. Oh no, I'm sorry. Nina, right?
Yeah, Nina.
Okay. Ahia ana e holovavai ai o Tom. Or
Good.
what is his
Yeah.
name? Tom.
Tommy, yeah, whichever. Ahea ana e holo vavaye, or holo works by itself. O Tom. Okay. Let's try another one. Let's do, when will my cat eat? When will my cat eat? Good, Reef. New students, you guys probably scared. Don't be scared. You get them. Just a reminder, is my cat pronoun? Is my cat a papani? Good, Kiave Evie, good. Okay. Who got it correct? Some of you are forgetting our A class, O class. You guys remember back, A class, O class. What does good, Kiave Evie? You want to read us your answer?
Ahea ana e ai ka'u popoki.
Good. So ka'u. When you have a pet, that's going to be ka'u, yeah, A class. So ahea ana e ai ka'u popoki. Okay? Good job, kākou. Let's do some of these translations. I think that's it. Whoa, we did it. Okay, so let's try. I ka la'a popo anau e ho'omaka ai I ka diet. I didn't translate it, because diet is diet. It's diet. Okay, this next one. I ka hola umi ana o ko e kui ai I ka lei. Kind of tricky. This next one. I keia pulea'e ana e pule ai ke kahuna. Ahea ana oi e he na luai. And it is at 7 o'clock when I was singing the song. Maybe just choose 2. You don't have to do all of them. Just choose 2 that you want to translate and try your best. Privately. Good, Kalana. Okay, my kai. And I think we'll have time for Oli Aloha to finish up. Okay. Maybe 20 more seconds for those of you. No need to translate them all. Just choose two. Okay, let's do the number one. Who can do number one? Raise your hand if you want to try number one. Okay, Dale, you can read the Hawaiian first.
I ka lā a popo anao e ho'omaka ai I ka diet. Tomorrow I will start the diet.
Yeah, tomorrow, if you wanted to make it extra, is when I will start the diet. But the way you said it's fine. Tomorrow I will start the diet. Okay, number two. Anyone? Any takers? Number two? Number two? No? No? I'll wait.
Sure.
Yeah, Yo Kepa, yeah.
It is at 10 o'clock that they three or more are going to string the lei.
Everything's right except Oko. What is Oko?
That you, all of you.
You three, yeah.
You three.
So it is at 10 o'clock that
Right.
you three will string the lei. Okay? Okay. Number three, any takers?
Next week, the priest will pray.
Yep. Next, it is next week that the priest will pray. Good job. Pomahala. The question, Ahe ana oi e he ena luai. Who wants to take a whack at it?
When would you go surfing?
Yep. When will you go surfing? My kai. And this last one, it is at 7 o'clock when I will sing the song. Let's do first word.
E.
E. Okay. No, another person. Second word. Ka. Third word.
Hola.
Okay, good. So we're at Ikahola. Let's go to Papua. What is next?
Ehiku.
Ikahola Ehiku. Erika.
Ana.
Ana. Wait. Yes, Ana. Ikahola Ehiku. Ana. Carrie.
Ao.
Ao. Antihea.
Ehimeni.
Ehimeni. Shannon.
Ai.
I.
Oh my.
And no, Auntie, you got it. And Carly, finish up. This last two words.
Kamele.
Ikamele. So Ikahola, good job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Ikahola ehiku anao ehimeni ai ikamele. Good job. Or K-mele, either or works. Okay, there's the answer for you folks. Okay, good. Do me a favor. Let's try and create our own. So let's create our own question and our own answer. Try your best. So let's look at our question on here. So use ahe ana. Make them different. Try and do a different verb or a different actor. Okay, and then answer it for me as well. Okay, Reef, good. Try give me the question too. Yeah, Dale, you can use K for mele. It's one of those exceptions to the rules. But some people still use ka mele. But I hear K and ka. Kule, are you do you have some ʻŌLELO background already?
No. no, I'm very new to this.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you emailed me. Yeah. Okay, so no worries. If you're free on Thursday, that's the more beginner class too. So if you are available on Thursdays, I would recommend that one. But just stick with it for tonight. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you. Okay, cool. Let's get some of the people that never get to actually Reef. Yeah, can you read yours question and answer? Give us your translations.
Ahea no oi ki oi.
Okay, what does that mean?
When will you make doodoo?
Okay, and what is your answer?
The fun is ke kakahiaka no oi ki oi. I'm gonna make do in the morning.
In the morning. Okay, makla'i. Ole na'ala. I would totally ask you, but nah. Unless you want. Erika, can you read yours?
Ahea ana oe e kuke ai I kēia la. And then mahope I ka papa ana au. Oh no, mahope I ka papa ana au e kuke ai.
Yeah, that works. Mahope o ka papa, but yeah. Okay. Kai. Alrighty, I think we're done with that. So we'll take a pause there. I think everyone did really good though. Any questions before we go into our oli? No questions. I know it's different, it's weird. It's okay because we can still work on this when we come back from our break, okay? All right, so let's jump to our new oli. Oli Aloha. Can you guys see? Is it showing? Okay, good. So this Oli Aloha is a Oli Kahea. Also can be an Oli Komo. Anyone know this Oli already? Can you raise your hand? We have one, Kapua and Haley. Okay, everyone else know, which is great. Okay, so let's go over it line by line, just saying the words, and then we'll go into the chant part of it. Before our breakout rooms, I want us to break out, and then we're going to translate it together in our breakout rooms. Okay. So the first line, everyone, e ho'opiri mai, repeat after me. O nauna.
O nauna.
O nauna I ka hala me.
Ka hala me.
O nauna I ka hala me ka lehua. Okay. Let's try that one more time. Repeat after me. O nauna I ka hala me ka lehua. Okay, I'm going to call on you. Stacy, can you repeat that after me? O nauna I ka hala me ka lehua.
O nauna I ka hala me ka lehua.
Okay, our second line. He hale lehua. He hale lehua. Okay, and then the second part. No ia na kanoi. No ia na kanoi. Okay. Pamela, can you repeat after me? He hale lehua.
He hale lehua.
No ia.
No ia.
Na kanoi.
Na kanoi.
Okay. So those terrestrial lines, good so far. Number 3, and it's 7:30, so if you guys have to head out, ahui ho, we'll see you guys, but stick around. Let's learn the oli together. Okay, number 3, o ka'u noia. O ka'u noia. E ano ine. Okay, let's have April. O ka'u noia.
O ka'u no ia.
E ano ine.
E ano ine.
O ka'u noia e ano ine.
O ka'u no ia e na'o. E na'o ine. Let me laugh.
Good. Okay, number 4. E li'a nei ho'i o kahiki mai. E li'a nei ho'i o kahiki mai. Okay, let's have Car. E li'a nei.
E li'a nei
Ho'io kahiki mai.
Ho'io kahiki mai.
Okay, good. And the last 3 lines. Ahiki mai no oko. Ahiki mai no oko. Kaulana. Ahiki mai no oko.
Ahiki mai no oko.
Okay, and depending on how many people you're talking to, you can say oi and olua. Ahiki mai no oi, ahiki mai no olua. Okay. Next line. Kapua. Ahiki pu.
Ahiki pu.
No me ke aloha.
No me ke aloha.
Okay. And our last line, everyone can say it together. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, so this is how it's gonna sound. What we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna sing it one time through. Then I'm going to hui ho manro ohana. Then I'm going to split you guys into breakout rooms. You're gonna do a quick translation of it, maybe about 7 to 10, maybe 8 minutes. You guys can translate it. I think you can. I just want to get the raw translation that you can come up together in the group. So don't look online because it's online, but don't look it up. It's called cheating. Okay, and then I'll try and go line by line for you folks. Okay, so this is how it sounds. O nauna I ka hala me ka lehua, e halele hua no ia na ka noe. O ka uno ia e ano ine, e li anei hoi o ka hiki mai. A hiki mai no oko, a hiki pu no me ke aloha. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. Okay. Okay. Sound familiar? Did anyone hear that before? No? Okay, very good. Very new. All right, so before we learn it and go line by line, let's break up into our breakout rooms. And we're gonna do a quick translation. No cheating. Remember, those who look it up are only cheating themselves. Thanks, Carly. Okay, so yeah. Oh no, that's not the breakout rooms. Let's do 6 breakout rooms. Okay. So together, you guys are gonna create the translation about the one I just sent. Aloha, Joshua, welcome. Yeah, Dale, you can use vehe vehe, totally. Carly, no do that.
What?
No, don't make me laugh.
I know, I saw you laugh.
Goodbye, go.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Hello, Mikey Kumu.
Credit.
Who does it say that?
Who wants to take a shot at the first starting this?
Something about the fragrance of the lehua, yeah?
Yeah. Good.
Is hala to pass?
Hello, the plant.
Yeah, there's 2, remember, double meanings, yeah? So which one would work in this thing?
The plant.
I think it's the plant. Yeah.
Okay, I think you guys get them. I'll come back and check you guys.
Fragrant is the hala with the lehua.
Is he recording us?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
I always.
Aloha. I heard the lady went, this thing is being
I don't know why. I don't know why they added that. Oh, Kiavivi. Sorry, I thought you were your younger brother. My bad.
Yeah.
Kālele Kumu, could you post the link to this, Mele?
This slide. Okay, yeah, can do. Let me put it in the chat.
Okay, so the first line that we have this far is "Ona na I ka hala me ka lehua." Fragrant is the hala with the lehua.
Yep, you on. I got that. Everybody on that? Good. Next line.
Okay, you guys are good. Bye.
Oh, here's the answer key. Hey, answer key.
Bye.
No, wait. We're still on the first line. We clearly need So, onauna I ka hala me ka lehua. So, fragrant is the hala with the lehua. In this case, is hala a transitive verb or is it talking about the pandan tree?
What do you think? If we have lehua,
Well, but it's me ka lehua. So I felt like it would be like with, so two nouns.
yeah. So
fragrant is the hala with the lehua, like the hala tree.
yeah, the pandana is with the lehua. Yeah, good.
Okay. Cool. What's the next line mean?
Dale. You should like try to be tricky. Okay, bye. Wait.
And then they had the little one. I was gonna get it for you, but it's tiny.
How did this work out?
I don't know. You push random and then boom, boom.
Was it just you two, or was there other people that?
Just us. No, there was many other people, and then we said, "Get up! You can't sit with us."
Your bus, Christine.
Okay, bye. Bye forever. See you never. Get out.
I don't know.
I know what means. Hale means house.
So it is
Something is a house indeed of lehua. It's a lehua house indeed.
That's what I'm.
Give me your raw translation, whatever you can. Yeah. Was there another? Was there an actual? Yeah, lehua flower.
Yeah.
Something about the flower, the house of the flower of the mist.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. The second, he hale lehua noia nakanoi. Yeah. You know this Oli already, Pule?
Ole.
Okay, but yeah, all those words are in it. So I would use that translation that you just said.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so then the next one is o ka'u no.
Because ho'i. Oh, hi.
Okay. How do I turn that off?
It won't.
It won't.
Ho'i is like to return. I know that. And the ane ho'i. Strong desiring something return. Oh, what is it? Oh, kahiki mai.
Kahiki mai.
But it's not kahiki like the place. It's the hiki.
The last three, I think, they're very easy. So, yeah. What does hiki mean, Kapua?
I know, like can hiki no.
Okay, but it ua hiki mai au ia ne'i. I came or I arrived. So kind of like
hiki mai.
Yeah, come or came. Yeah.
So it's like my strong desire, my something strong desiring, returning, coming somewhere back. My.
Okay. So a strong desire to come together, to be with one another. Well, I think, Kumu, it's about two lovers that want to be together.
Yeah, that's a good interpretation.
They desire to be with one another.
Yeah,
it's the sweetness.
You can look at the hala as like maybe one person and the lehua.
Uh-huh. The two that want to be together. Yeah.
Okay.
And completely random question.
Yes.
So when I said when I read it and you said it, noia.
Oh, different, very different.
Yeah, okay, it's a different noia.
Noia is Nouia. Yeah, that's noia in the Moana.
As in, and then?
Noia is the no kākou ia. That is the one in the chant. So yeah, it's more like a indeed. It shows the indeed, yeah. But the noia literally meant you're welcome. The one you were singing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Mahalo.
Very, very good reference, Makai.
And in the so then in the line o ka'u no ia e ano i nei.
Yes.
Is e ano I nei, is that a kahulu on the ia?
Yes. Perfect.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Good. So the ia just shows like the aforementioned something in the past. So what would that? And you guys were able to get a translation for that line? Anyone?
That I'm loving. Are you saying that I'm loving?
Yeah. So it is indeed mine to love or to desire or to cherish. Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, I see. So the O equational is the ka'u no is the ia e ano I nei.
Exactly. So
got it.
It is mine. The no is the indeed. Yeah. So it is ia. It is mine to desire. It is indeed mine to desire. That would be a translation for it. Yeah.
So it is about lovers. It is about lovers.
Well, it's actually, I mean, it's a good interpretation, but it's more about two people meeting each other. So it doesn't have to be love. It's more just two random
coming together, the hala and the lehua.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And the kahiki, what about the kahiki? I read that book you were recommending. It's really good.
Yeah, it talks about kahiki. So this is different. Yeah. It's not Tahiti.
Yeah.
What other words does hiki translate to?
Kahiki.
Or just hiki by itself? We learned kahiki before, some of us, yeah.
To arrive.
Arrive. There. Yo Kepa got it. Arrive.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the arriving. But it means can too. Good job.
Yeah.
Trying.
And that's an and ahiki. Ahiki mai and arriving.
And you too.
So you three arrive.
Oh, you three.
Yeah. Or if you want to, we're just talking to one person, you can put oi. If you're just talking to two, you can put olua. Okay. Okay. Maybe about 2 more minutes. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna finish, but we'll see. Yeah.
This eliane is different than like keliane, yeah?
Yeah. So it still has that same effect though. It still has the ing current present tense. Okay.
Yeah, I think that o ka'u no ia e a no I nei, that's really deep. I love that sentence because unlike the conventional o equational where the ka'u or ko'u or kona comes at the end.
Yeah.
We're so used to hearing it and not thinking about, well, it can be fronted either way.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a great, it makes me smile.
Oh, another, like, you can always switch it around, but this is a very poetic kind of
very cool.
Very cool. Awesome, awesome. I'm glad you guys are seeing those treasures that are kupuna left for us.
Yeah, they're really, it's really, really interesting. Really interesting.
Okay, so maybe about 1 more minute. I'll see you guys in the main.
Okay.
Did you cheat?
No. Do you want to hear our translation? I think we far from cheated.
Okay, yeah, I want to hear it.
Okay, soft and fragrant is the hollow with the lehua.
No.
It is.
No.
It is a lehua house indeed, belonging to the mists. It is yours indeed, desiring.
You are in doing that indeed.
You are
Not
doing that
desiring
indeed.
to return is the returning. And return indeed, you 3+.
Plus return also with love, 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 love.
Love it.
I'm return indeed, you 3+.
Strong desiring to return is the returning.
I'm so ready for this trip. I cannot wait. I'm so excited.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
One more day of work and then I'm there.
Okay.
Really? That's it?
Not
Yeah.
yet.
Tomorrow's my last day of work and then I leave Thursday night. And I got first class. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Wow, you got the new manu, don't you? That's
Oh,
new.
do you want the book? I wasn't able to go get it. Did you order it?
Oh yeah. I did not. But if you don't have time to go get it, I can just order it. It's fine.
You know what? I'll try.
Okay. Just let me know if you cannot.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and bring it and read it. So maybe if I finish it, I can just give you my copy and then we'll figure it out. I don't know.
But won't you need your copy for the meetings?
Figure it out.
Okay, so then should I just buy that other book?
Yeah, if I have time to go, I can go on Thursday if anything. So. Yeah.
Okay, but if you don't have time, no worries.
Okay.
Did you fix yours?
What?
Your book. Hello, the one that was like.
Oh yeah. I returned it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was good. Let me see if the receipt. Okay, I'll see you guys back.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Hey, I'll be giving a beautiful mo'olelo of this. So anyway, he'll tell us.
Yeah, we'll go line by line. So maybe we can get your group to say whatever line you were on. Okay. Alrighty. So I know it's already 7:53, but let's just try our best because we're not going to meet for another 2 weeks. So yeah. Okay, so let's go. First line. Any group want to try? Or anyone want to read what their group created? Erika, yeah.
It's the only line we were really, really confident in.
Okay, good.
So, onauna ika hala me ka lehua. Fragrant is the hala and the lehua.
Okay, can you put that in the chat for us? And we'll create a translation as a whole class. Okay, so we have that first line. Erika, can you copy everyone's for me, please? When they read it? Okay.
Beginning of.
Who wants to try number 2?
I can say that one.
Yeah, okay.
So, he hala lehua, noia no kanoi. We put that the house of the lehua is the mist.
Yep. So the house of lehua, this noia is just like a indeed. So indeed for the mist. Okay. You got that, Erika? So the house of lehua is indeed for the mist. Let's just say that. It's not going to be perfect, and that's totally fine. Okay, number 3. Anyone? Another group. Carney.
Are you sure that you want ours?
Very sure.
Okay. We said it is yours indeed desiring. You are doing that indeed.
Perfect. The first part is fine. It is yours, indeed. Actually, no. It is mine, indeed, to desire. Okay. Number 4, another group who never get them or who never go yet. Reef.
Really longing for the arrival.
Yeah, good. That's perfect. Can you type that in for me, please? Okay, Kapua, you want to try yours for this next one?
Yeah. Ahikimai no oko, until you indeed arrive.
Yeah, the U is fine because you can do U1, U2, U3 until you arrive. Okay. And who the last group? I don't know who the last group was. They never go yet. Pamela, did your group? Oh yeah, Yokepa. Yep.
I don't. Did we go?
I think you did, but you can read it. You can do this last line. Ahikipu.
Ahikipu no me ke aloha. And we all together arrived with love.
Good job. Okay, and we all arrived with love. All right, Erika, did you get everyone? Okay, and the aloha e just means love, love, love. Go. Okay, so that's our translation. Fragrant is the hala and the lehua. The house of lehua is indeed in the mist or for the mist. Okay, it is mine indeed to desire. Deeply longing for the arrival until you, 1, 2, 3, indeed arrive. And we all arrive with love, 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 love. Okay, so Charmaine, I know you thought it was about 2 lovers, but it's pretty much just about 2 people meeting, 1 person arriving at that other person's house, school, hello, whatever. Okay?
2 special people, yeah? Waiting for 2 special people.
2 special people, very good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's a good translation for us to keep. So if you guys can, copy it. And let's try and do a quick line-by-line one. Okay? So let's, you're going to repeat after me. I'll chant it first, and then you guys can repeat it on your own. You can leave your mics off for now. Okay? So first line. O nauna I kahala. Try that with me. O nauna I kahala. I don't know where the line, if it's too low for you or too high, but just try and kind of match my pitch. O nauna I kahala. Me kalehua. O nauna I kahala me kalehua. Okay. Dale, can you try that with me? O nauna I kahala me kalehua.
O nauna I kahala me ka lehua.
Okay. Haley. O nauna I kahala me kalehua.
O nauna I kahala me ka lehua.
Okay, next line. He halele hua. Try that. He halele hua. Pamela. He halele hua.
He halele hua.
Okay. He halele hua no ia na kanoe. Okay, and this is the way I learned it. There's many different versions, so this is the way I learned it. Okay. He halele hua no ia na kanoe. Is that right? He halele hua no ia na kanoe. So on the ka, you go back down. Okay. Kapua, try listen, and then you're gonna try to repeat after me. E halele hua no ia na kanoe. Okay.
E halele hua no ia na kanoe.
Te alani. E halele hua no ia na kanoe.
Oval.
Yep.
He halele hua no ia na tahanoe.
I mean, pretty perfect to me. Okay. Good. Let's try those first two lines together on your own. You can leave your mic off. So the starting would be O nauna pa. O nauna I kahala me kalehua. E halele hua no ia na kanoe. Yeah. I know you guys probably have questions. We're just going to go through it quickly, and then we'll leave the questions for the end, okay? All right, third line. O ka'uno ia. So you're going to do...
O ka'uno ia.
Yes, queen. O ka'uno ia. Okay, so O ka'uno ia. This e ano ine is going to be fast, okay? O ka'uno ia e ano ine. Try that with me. O ka'uno ia e ano ine. Okay, who wants to try? Shannon. O ka'uno ia e ano ine.
O ka'uno ia e ano ine.
Okay. Kavi'iwi. O ka'uno ia e ano ine.
O ka'uno ia e ano ine.
Very beautiful. Okay, Maikai. Fourth line. E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai. So again, kind of like this one, the hiki goes down. But this all one breath. E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai. Clark. E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai.
Can you do it one more time, please?
No, not kidding. E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai.
E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai.
Very close. Hiki mai. E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai. Try.
E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai.
Good job. Okay, Reef. Can you tell me that? E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai.
E li'a nei ho'i o ka hiki mai.
Perfect. Okay. Moving right along. Hiki mai no oko. Pretty easy. Hiki mai no oko. Yokepa, you want to try? Hiki mai no oko.
Hiki mai no ko.
Good job. Tammy. Hiki mai no oko.
Hiki mai no oko.
Good. Who never go yet? Charmaine. Hiki mai no oi.
Hiki mai no oi.
April and Stacy. Hiki mai no olua.
Hiki mai no olua.
Good job. Okay. Next line. Hiki pu. So you don't do the you just go same note. Hiki pu no me ke aloha. Kind of different. Hiki pu no me ke aloha. Carrie. Hiki pu no me ke aloha.
Hiki pu no me ke aloha.
Yeah. Lena Ala. Hiki pu no me ke aloha. I never taught a chant like this. It's really weird, but I like it.
Hiki puno me ke aloha.
Yeah, good. And try everyone with me again. Hiki puno me ke aloha. Okay, and last line. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. Easy. Anita, can you try that? Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e.
Aloha, aloha, aloha.
Charmaine, you want to try that one?
Aloha aloha aloha
Job. Okay, we'll try straight through. I know you guys probably need help with some of the lines, but just try and chant it with me. Okay, you can leave your mics off though. Okay, so everyone, palikikua, let's sit up. Kind of helps us get in the mood. If you want to stand up, you can stand up too. But just palikikua if you can. Okay. O nauna pa. O nauna I ka hala me ka lehua. E halele hua no ia na kano e. O ka uno ia e ano inei. E li anei hoi o ka hiki mai. Hiki mai no oko. Hiki puno me ke aloha. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. Okay, good. Any questions? No? Okay, thanks. Nah. If you have questions, ask away. I think it's 8:07, so that's pretty much it. But if you have to go, a hui ho. Again, we're not going to have class until June 22nd. Okay, but I'll send you guys all the links and stuff. Okay, we're going to try it one more time. So if you guys want to stay and try it again. Yeah. Any questions though? No?
Hey, Kumu, are you going to make this available on the Google Classroom?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, shoot.
Yeah. And then I'll do a separate video with just the chat by itself. Okay. So I'll post the video of the class and then a video by itself. Okay, so let's try it together. One more time. Anyone want to start us? Oh, no, no, pa. Yeah, you can start it, and I'll continue on. So you can turn off your mic after you do the oh now na pa.
Oh now na pa.
Oh now na I ka hala me ka lehua. E halele hua no ia na kano e. O ka uno ia e ano inei. E li anei hoi o ka hiki mai. Hiki mai no oko. Hiki puno me ke aloha. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. Yeah, we learned the chant. I know it's not pa'a, but we'll get it pa'a. So maybe over the next 2 weeks, you guys can practice it with the recording that I'll send them to you. But yeah, I know I'm going to miss everyone in the next 2 weeks, but I'm going to be in Vegas. So I'll miss you a little bit. I'm kidding. Reef, the vibrato, it'll come through time. The ʻE is vibrato. So if you guys want to work on the ʻE as well, that's a good one to work on. Yeah. Any questions? Yeah, ʻE. We good? We good? We good? Okay, shoot. We'll see you guys next time on the 22nd. Practice over the 2 weeks. Yeah. If you want to stay one more time, we can practice it again. If you guys, who wants to practice it one more time? Okay, let's just do it. If you gotta go,
Shoots, let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, shoot.
Are we all putting our mics off?
No,
I mean,
put them on. Yeah, put them on. Let's see how it works. Everyone, mic on. It's weird, but it's okay. Just be in tune with me. Okay, ready. You ready? Oh no no.
Oh,
The car.
That was so far. Very good. We're going to wake up for 8. I know. Yeah, that was good. You know, it's kind of weird because I thought, like, it all sounded in tune. Like, same timing. I think because you guys are all on different, I don't know. It's weird. It was good, though. Okay. Let's try one more time. Okay. Maybe leave it myself. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, no, na, pa. O nauna I hala me kalehua. E halele hua no ia na kanoe. O ka uno ia e ano inei. E li anei hoi o ka hiki mai. A hiki mai no o kou. Ahitipu no me ke aloha. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e. Okay, study that. Thank you, everyone. Ahui hon.
Much
Mahalo, Kumu. Have fun in Vegas.
Kumu.
A nice trip.
Can you now, Ka'u?
Yes, Peppa.
You have a Google Drive with info on it?
Yeah, I'll send you the link.
Oh, that would be wonderful. This was wonderful. Much mahalo.
Thank you for
Have fun. Yes.
Thank you, Kule. Aloha.
Thank you, Kumu.
See you next time. Have a great trip.
Kepa, yo, Kepa, send it to you right now. It's in the chat. The link.
Okay. Oh, yeah, got it.
Okay. So that you can sign up for the Google Classroom.
Got it.
You and Anita, yeah. Thank you.
Mahalo, ahui ho.
We'll Kavi, you're were you commitment too?
Yeah, I was 2018.
2018. Okay. Oh yeah, with PE and any of them.
Aloha, ahui ho.
Wiho Yokepo, thank you. Are you in Big Island or you're at college?
Yeah, I'm Big Island.
Okay.
Now.
Tell your sister and your brother I said aloha.
Okay, I will.
Yeah.
I don't know where they are, but I told them come. They never.
Oh, they never had the class. They never had hula tonight. The show.
No, yeah, because there's off from yesterday, Memorial Day.
Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, thank you for coming. I will resume back in 2 weeks. So.
Okay.
Yeah. We hope.
Awiho, Kumu, be safe in Vegas.
Thank you. Bye, Tammy.
Aloha, awiho, kako, malama pono.
Arif, thank you.
Aloha, Kumu. Awiho.
Yo.